Whoa! 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 Well, at the bottom of that hill, I'm sitting at it right now. Yeah. Oh, straight through the middle? Probably. It's deep a little bit. There's also one dead left, far left, too, if you look. That works too. Oh, getting greasy, very greasy. Oh, whoa! Hey, got it on deep, got it on camera. Lost her.
Oh my gosh, I love a good camera.
Oh.
Are you okay? Did you bend those bars? They're steel.
No, looks like we're good. It wasn't a hard crash, it was a very moderate layover.
Buddy, it was hard enough. It hurt me to watch.
Alright, bars look good. Wheel is not straight, so I gotta fix that.
Is this a go around up here to the right?
Probably, but I'm too late going to it now, buddy. Your license plate's like all sideways.
Yeah, zip tie snapped.
Ron, you're in the largest rut right now.
I know, buddy.
I tried to hug right in the front, and when I tried to get right, I cut my wheels and I crashed because of it. I should have just plowed left and I probably would have been fine. I gotta figure out this license plate thing. Football's up. There we go, boys. We've all crashed today.
It's like a 40-inch bogger.
Did I crash?
Rut.
No, you didn't.
Okay. Did Mike crash?
I crashed twice, I think.
Really? You dropped it?
Laid over,
Yeah.
pretty much.
Yeah.
Oh, man. I am riding with rookies.
I think she'll stay on there, maybe. If it falls off, let me know.
It's fine. You got bigger things to conquer down there.
I just don't have to come back up this.
What? Mike, we're making a circle around the whole lake.
All right. Pick me up with a boat, bro.
Uh-oh.
What?
Shit. I got on the wrong side.
Oh, I'm following you.
God.
The rut calls your name, buddy. Pours all. You can probably roll down into it and come out down here. I mean, you're dedicated now, so. You just gotta show us what that dedication's about.
Oh my God, bro.
Muddy Creek rut for a 690.
Bro, if this is this much fun, think how much fun Muddy Creek's gonna be on Friday.
Yeah.
Going over that big rock's tricky.
Fun though, Mike. It's really fun. I recommend it. Just lean back.
Oh, bottom that suspension, hardcore. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. What do you mean, uh-oh? Wow. This is Jeep land, buddy.
This is Jeep land. Well, what's that over there look like? I think I'm committed at this point. All right, well.
Only you know if it looks like you're going to go over the bars or not. Is this that double black at Bear Wallow again?
Pretty much.
Oh my God. It's steeper than I thought.
Yeah, it wasn't great. That's actually probably good right there to go over. That sucked. At least you got dirt to land in. I did not have dirt to land in. I had rocks to land in.
Oh, Mike, come over here, buddy.
They don't follow me. My lines are terrible.
Shoot to your left, Mike.
Was that cease and desist at the park?
Think so. You want to try to go back up it just for fun?
I'd rather not.
God, rocks picking up at the feet. The same dude that we passed earlier. Right?
I think, yeah, to the right. No, wait. I'd assume I was back that way. If we go straight, it dead ends at the lake.
Oh, okay.
I think back that way across the creek. Just don't spray those beeps. Or don't wave back. Straight?
Okay.
Send it, buddy.
Should we wait on Mike after that one, or?
Probably so. He's good. He's good.
All right. Great. I love this.
Oh, I end up on a dock somewhere.
It's gonna end up on a dock.
Yeah, like a nice dock. Oh, my cardo fell off.
What?
My cardo fell off.
It's hanging there.
Oh, come on. There, I can't even see.
It's on there. I just can't see how good it is.
All right.
Oh, God! Thorns got me good.
Behind the cemetery. Main road goes left.
We want to go right.
Okay.
Thought. No, we don't. We want to go left. It's coming. Go. Like a bat out of hell.
Let me go, buddy. I'm going. Free speeds. You're gone.
We're on this for a while.
Okay. A bunch of no camping signs, boundary line, something. Cemetery pavement? I think we're about to hit pavement again.
Ice.
An epic ride.
Super epic, dude. One of my favorites.
And we're on pavement. Kind of. Sharp corner up here.
idea. Looks like
would
there's
appear
a couple
so.
people's stuff,
Maybe.
probably. Hunting camps, I'd say.
Oh, it's campground.
Huh.
Wow.
Car. Car. Left or right?
Right.
Right.
Yeah.